Hey, welcome to week 5. This is the week before the last week. It's been a very enjoyable 7 weeks. And today we're going to kind of almost end up, as far as new material, on arrays and array lists and files. And also there's some examples of the create, read, update, and delete. Okay, so but in week 6, arrays and array list files. Okay, we're going to shift from and talk about the managing the collection of these particular things that we use every day as far as arrays are concerned. The array of objects. Student roster equal new student, and there's 50 of them. So I'm defining an array here as an example, creating a 50 entry array. Arrays are fixed in size, but they are very fast in Java. Array lists, dynamic collections, versus array lists, students. Here in array list called students, we're listing new array lists. Okay. Array list grows automatically, supports position-based operations where I need to know whether something's first, second, third, or fourth. But operations, create, we're adding objects. Read, we're retrieving objects. Update, we're changing data. And delete, we're removing objects. So reading and writing files, okay. We're using file writer, buffer reader, or scanner are the 3 methods that Java provides for being able to update. File writer, here we're creating a new file writer, okay. And data text, okay, is what we're going to be writing. fw.write, we're going to say hello, okay, and then we're going to close. Okay, so this here for hello, excuse me. This here for hello will replace the data text in the file writer. This tells us exactly what we want to write. This tells us the format of how we're going to send that information over, and that is as text. But the fw.write says, here's the specific information that I want to write. Now, we're going to be just kind of heads up when we get into advanced OOP. Okay, there's an advanced OOP class after this. We'll be getting into a lot more specific information. Consider this more of an introductory class. And then we jump into the real deep end. Let's say that we jump into the ocean come advanced object-oriented programming. So again, these are just the beginning steps, kind of the baby steps we're taking in the OOP. This is what we're basically covering. Again, we're going to be taking this to a deep dive in our project, in our homework assignments, where we're touching these particular cases as far as week 6 is concerned. Next week, final week, we'll be talking about our projects, and we'll be talking about design pattern, but be prepared next week to make your presentation on your projects. And the information on what should be in that presentation should be in the resource section for your review. Okay, short, just kind of the the crux of everything here. We're in your homework assignment. We're going to cover these specific items, okay, and how we use them. Okay, so again, small introductory, but big homework, okay, and big project work. Okay, everyone, thank you. And for week 6, and we'll look for your presentations on next week, week 7. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.